Hi all, I am Sabarish here and welcome to my channel. This course is designed to take you from zero to mastering automation. It is a perfect for beginners who want to learn automation using the PLC and HMIs. In this course, we will be working with the Siemens PLC and HMIs in simulation mode. This allows us to simulate sensor triggers using timers and counters. So you can see the program in action without needing a real sensor or pumps. Okay, in today's video, I'll walk you through a simple PLC program to control a pump. The goal is to start the pump, and when the level sensor detects a high water level, it will stop the pump. Essentially, we will be controlling the tank's water level and automating the pump's operation using a basic PLC program. Let's get started. Before we dive into this simulation, I will first show you how the program is structured. Okay, this is our PLC program. I have created using the ladder logic. It is a simple but very effective for beginners. The program has two main blocks. One is the main block here, and the other one is the auto mode. So I have written various functions in this program, these subroutines. Okay, you can see the on button here. So this on button, when we trigger on this on button, it will trigger this no contact here in the PLC program. This is normally open contact. When we operate it, it will trigger the pump to turn on. And you all know about the normally closed contact is the one that remains closed until an event or condition triggers it to open. In other words, the circuit is complete and the sensor allows the electricity to flow when in its default state. Once the trigger condition is met, the sensor opens, breaking the circuit and stopping the flow of electricity. So the level sensor plays a key role in stopping the pump. Once the water level reaches high, the sensor will open. The sensor will open, cutting the power to the pump and stopping it. So this is a normally closed sensor, normally closed contact, meaning the circuit is closed, the pump will run as long as the switch is on condition. Okay, we can see in the HMI this is the on button. Once we turn on this button, we can see this no contact will be triggered on. We can see it visually. Once I turn on this one, you can see the on button is on, so it passes the current to the pump and the pump is turned on. So you can see here visually the pump is turned on. If the pump is on, it will be in green color. So if the pump is off, it will be in red color. So now the water level reached high, so the level sensor have triggered and it stopped the pump. So this is the basic simple program. Even though the switch is on, the pump is off because of the level sensor reached the high level, so it cut off the pump power. I can show you one more time. Before that, we need to drain the tank to refill it. So if you want to drain the tank, we have to open this valve. So once we open this valve, automatically it will drain, all the water will drain here. I can show you. So now the valve is open, so the water is draining. Now all the water is drained already, so I can stop the drain sequence. So I'm going to turn on this pump again. Once I turn on this one, the pump will change to green color. That means that pump is in running condition. Then the water will flow through here to the tank, and once the water filled and it reaches to the high level, the high level sensor will be triggered on. That is, this sensor will cut off this pump supply. Please watch it. So now the pump is on, directly pump is on, level sensor is not triggered on, not on. Once it reach high, it will cut off. You can see green color, it will cut off the pump. So it stopped the pump. So this is a simple PLC program which turn on the pumps, and when the level sensor reach high level, then it will cut off the pump. Thanks for watching.